Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel, and today I'll be talking to you about my CurlBox subscription and what I got for the month of August.
So here we have the box that I received for this month, as well as the pamphlet here, which will tell me what amazing products I got. Now this month you will see where I got the Palmer's cocoa butter formula with vitamin E, and that is the cocoa butter and biotin length retention system. This is their new line. Yes guys, Palmer's makes shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, yes, the whole nine. So I'm going to tell you what's written inside. Alright, so it says the magic in your life is you. Be it your personality, your ambition, or that luscious head of hair, you are the sparkle, the sizzle, and the slay. We've teamed up with Palmer's new cocoa butter and biotin line for our I'm the Magic Box. This curated group of goodies helps you retain length with fair trade cocoa butter, vitamin E, quinoa protein, and antioxidants. Style like a pro with these three magic words: soften, smooth, and shimmer. Before introducing you to the products, let me tell you what CurlBox is. CurlBox is a monthly subscription curated for us kinky curly naturals, and it is $20 a month. $5 for shipping, which makes it a total of $25. You can get from 45 full-size products, and so far I've been getting products that have not been launched yet. It is amazing. Like, guys, you need to get the hookup on this box, like for real. Now let's spill the tea on these products. Here we go with the first magic word, which is soften. Under the soften word, we have the shampoo, the cocoa butter and biotin shampoo. Now, a shampoo that's moisturizing and color safe is a godsend for the girl with vibrant curls. Your cocoa butter and biotin shampoo is just that, enhanced with ChromaHance, a substance that gives superior color retention. With this cleanser has a lush lather that moisturizes chronically dry hair. Tell me if that don't sound perfect. That sounds perfect to me. The next magic word we have is smooth. Under the smooth word, we have two products. This is the conditioner and the leave-in. Tangles disappear with cocoa butter and biotin conditioner, a silky treatment that infuses biotin directly into the strands to speed up sluggish growth. Afterwards, spritz on a bit of your cocoa butter and biotin leave-in conditioner and run your white teeth comb through your curls to immediately prep for styling. Also, the leave-in conditioner, guys, is silicone free, and it's also a strengthening formula that is a heat protectant, leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and a detangler in one. So you are literally getting the four major things that we're looking for here: a heat protectant, a leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and a detangler. So this is amazing. Shimmer is the final magic word. Define curls with the cocoa butter and biotin cream styler, a defining formula that gives medium hold to finger styles, twist outs, braid outs, and coils. Finish your hair look with the cocoa butter and biotin shine glaze serum, a silicone free oil that's good for adding shine to both protective styles and loose curls. You can also apply it to your scalp with the easy nozzle tip applicator. Alright guys, so with the serum, it's not just only to add slip, but it also adds shine to all hair types and textures. Use this on the layered hairstyles. You can also use it at the ends and also dry spots to seal the hair from locking out humidity. Alright guys, so here we have the complete set of what I got this month in my CurlBox. Now for the ultimate breakdown. Here we have the shampoo, and that retails for $7.99 at Sally Beauty. We have the conditioner that also retails for $7.99. The leave-in conditioner for $6.99. the serum for $6.79, and finally the cream styler for $8.49. Now, after my calculations, everything here is a retail value of $38.25. And what did I say I paid for my box? Drum roll, please. $25 including shipping. So that's what I paid for this entire set, is $20 plus $5 for shipping, for a retail price of $38.25 for the new line from Palmer's cocoa butter. Now, I also received in the box a $1 off coupon, so I can purchase something from the line at Sally's Beauty. There are 2 items that are missing from here, and I'll show them to you on this pamphlet that I got. That will be the styler nectar, and there's a 2-step mask. So the 2-step mask has a retail value of $2.39, and the styling nectar is $8.49, making that $10.88 for the entire set. This would cost you $49.13. But with CurlBox, I only paid $25 for 5 items from the 7 set of items that is in this line. So for the entire line, it says at the back of all the products, this addresses breakage, damage, split ends by keeping the hair and scalp moisturized, fortified, and healthy in order to achieve optimum growth potential. Cocoa butter has hair softening properties for a healthy shine, and its rich moisture shields hair from dryness and over processing. Biotin supports healthy hair growth, and quinoa protein protects the hair shaft from heat damage that can cause breakage. This expert blend retains length for beautiful, long, shiny hair. It also, guys, on the front of all the products states color safe, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes, no silicones. Perfection in a bottle. There you go. So for the shampoo, let's smell. Let's see what it smells like. This smells great. This literally smells amazing. Like, I was scared because like I'm not like the biggest like cocoa butter fan in terms of smell, but it smells amazing. I love how it smells. And guys, a pro tip: after using the shampoo, you need to follow up with the conditioner, which leads me to the conditioner. Here we go with the conditioner. For thick or coarse hair, dry, itchy scalp, ensure that you apply it all over your hair, including your scalp, and that, guys, is my pro tip. As well as for finer hair, please apply concentrating on the ends. That is the pro tip that I saw from the Sally Beauty website. Okay, so this smells like cocoa butter. This literally smells like the cocoa butter Palmer's product. Here we go. Let's check the consistency. I'm scared. Okay. And here you go with the consistency of the moisturizing. This literally, I hope the slip in this is as real as it is on my hand. I literally smell cocoa butter in it. The shampoo is not as strong as the conditioner, but I do smell the cocoa butter in the shampoo, and it is moisturizing. It does feel really, really moisturizing. I love it. All right, so for the stylo, no, this is supposed to be weightless, and it also is supposed to get your curls on and popping, and it's great for bantu knots, braid outs, and also wash and go twists. So we're going to put this to the test as well today, and here we go with the consistency. What? I didn't spray the thing too much, but okay, it smells good. This is the styler, so this seems like we have to rub it in a little bit more into our hair to ensure it's penetrated, because it did take a little bit of a time to get off my skin, but it's my skin, not my hair, so we'll definitely use this today. Well, in my next video you can stay tuned to see how I actually use this product in my hair. Alright guys, so for the leave-in conditioner, you can use this in between your washes. So you don't really have to, they can literally just top up your hair, just re-moisturize your hair with this. It's moisturizing, as I stated before, it's a heat protectant, so you don't have to start from scratch when you're using this item. So this definitely will do the trick in just, if you have a wash and go, you can just use this to prep it up again. Guys, the final product is the serum. The pro tip for the serum is to use this with the cream styler to get the ultimate hold. Now we're going to put this to the test, because you know how it is when you put some creams and oils together, they don't work out so perfectly, but I'm going to test it to see how great it will be. But you have to stay tuned to see what will happen with all 5 products and this nappy beautiful head of mine. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Raquel. I can't wait to have you see my next video, so please subscribe, turn your notifications on, as well as following me on Instagram at ℏ𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒𝕒2009. Thank you so much for watching.